My car's not even loud anymore. I can't even rev my shit. What's going on, guys? Another video. Car meet things. We got a little. We got Brucey Bruce. Bruce!
Horsepower.
So we are going to another meet. Hosted by A-Rod. MPA A-Rod. So hopefully we can get a run. I did, as you guys noticed from the last video, the car is not as loud. I put a muffler on it. It was straight pipe before, no cats, no resonator, no muffler. So I just put a muffler on it. My boy Scott at High Flow. I'm gonna put their Instagram right there so you can see. They do all my exhaust work. But I ended up putting a Magnaflow exhaust on it to quiet it down, and it kind of, I feel like it gave me some more torque on the top. So I'm trying to see if, in the previous video, there's this black RSX that said Type S on the back, and it's got little stickers on the side. I'm coming for you, motherfucker. I want to see if, because there's no way you beat me. I was in sport and everything. We're do a little roll tonight. If I see you there, I'm gonna get you to do a roll. That is one ugly ass. Yo, this nigga doing, bro? Yo, this dude.
Fuck, man.
Hey, pussy! That's fuck! This nigga.
Man, you got two more motherfucking niggas up there, bro.
Damn.
Alright, cool. That was clean.
Somebody's on bags?
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, man? Kyle. What's good, G? How you doing? You don't even know.
That's true. Shut up.
Yeah, I got school tomorrow.
3/4 of people that show up out here.
I didn't even think of that shit. Yeah, I didn't either. That's what I'm saying.
Start going to car meets in fucking Woodbridge.
Fucking
Just
parents
for
took-
footage.
Shit, just start hosting car meets in high school parking lots.
Fuck it. Like, you're already here, man.
Out on my wheels this and that. I get thrown.
Bro, I didn't know. That's why I was like, all I heard you say, it's cool that. I'm like,
I went down on the main You probably would me though, right? I mean, yeah, one of them.
How y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
Good, good.
Drive it yet?
I'm down. That's perfect for me.
They won't run anything other than first 20.
If I can do first 20 a day, or I don't care. I just want to redo it. Like I don't know what that was. I was like, what the fuck? I was literally looking at it.
He was
Yeah.
sleeping.
I don't know what happened. I had sport, all that shit. AC all.
Whoa.
You gotta put a tune on yours.
Huh?
You gotta put a tune on yours.
Yeah. Well, with the muffler now, it pulls a lot harder. A lot harder.
Took a bunch of back pressure off of it. We took everything off.
Yeah, exactly.
And so he bought it. Oh, I might get some shits later.
Oh no,
I
bro.
get plain white rice. You gotta try plain white rice.
Is it the white rice or the brown rice?
White,
White, okay.
no cilantro. I hate that shit. Like, it just gets in your teeth.
They got that without? She had the cheat code. Please. I'm sorry, I'm trying to teach my son some manners.
Ladle of the hot.
Wait, so if he's your son and I'm your nephew, what does that mean?
We get wasted in the basement. I don't know where we go. We play bass jams in the basement. And I don't know where do we go.
So it looks pretty much stock. What all do you have done to it?
Well, to the motor, I just have the intake, the catch can, obviously the spark plugs, step coated spark plugs, downpipe exhaust, the hybrid turbo, so big turbo, and a tune. That's basically it for that.
Yeah, and you're on a Cobb.
Yeah, the Cobb XS4 with a Pro Tune.
All right. Okay. And you're on the 85 or regular? Like
No, I can't run full 85, so I run like an E30, so 30% ethanol.
Okay. All right. Cool, man. Yeah, let's see if we can get you get some footage of you and getting it in. You know.
All right, you ready, man?
All right, let's do it.
Light will turn.
That sounds good.
Are you ready?
Yep.
Ah, shit, I forgot. I have a ported exhaust manifold. So basically it's just the stock manifold the car comes with.
Oh, gotcha.
You port the inside where like the runners are,
Mhm.
so it matches the exhaust side of the block, so it has better airflow, so you make more power basically.
Oh.
And helps with heat soak.
Oh, gotcha.
It's a fun little car to drive.
Hell yeah. It's nice. Appreciate you, G.
Oh, of course, man.
It's fine.
Do it, yeah.
It's fine. There's nothing
my
wrong with
bad,
that
bro.
car,
You
bro.
good?
I'm trying
Yeah,
to
he's
tell you.
scared. I think he's scared to get dogged by a Chrysler.
He's super scared.
He's not getting on it.
Bro.
He's not getting on it. He knows.
You got it. Go ahead.
Go ahead.
One more time.
Shut the fuck up, Trump. Shut the fuck up. You gotta raise nobody.
Hey, you want to break that
Raise that mouth.
Yo, what it is? Car meet's over?
Signing out. This car meet was whack as fuck, man. Shit was weak. But
Stick for more content, yeah?
more content. Yeah,
We're about to hit the Maryland Jones.
Yeah, the Maryland meets. We're gonna get a lot better content there because they actually race, and these dudes, they already race each other. You know, it's a small community. You know.
Right.
So we'll get some good runs out in Maryland, see some stuff like that. But I got a little surprise for y'all before we cut. You know what I'm saying?
Wait, what's up, nigga? You good?
Hey, you know, I had a little nigga tell me that my voice sound a little high pitched, like a little bitchish. You know what I mean? You know what bitchish means? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna start putting some motherfucking bass in my
for
voice.
real, nigga?
Bass, nigga.
You gonna put some bass in
Yeah.
that motherfucker?
Yeah, you gotta say it with your motherfucking chest, nigga.
Some
Yeah.
balls in that bitch, ain't that? Yeah.
Hey, that's the end of the motherfucking video. You know what I'm saying? 'Cause my fucking throat, man. My fucking throat. Oh my god. I can't fucking. It's too much, man. Fuck. shit on that nigga. I was like, you know what, let me just play with him. I always just like dog everybody. I was like, you know what, let me just stay back and like.
Oh, you were just nice this time?
Yeah, I was like, let me make him feel a little good about his life, you know? Yo, this shit was funny.
He probably gonna be talking about tomorrow.
Like, yo, guess what? He's gonna be in the group chat. He's gonna be like, yo, guess who I fucking kept up with last night? Yeah, my shit's fast. Like, alright.
Hustle his ass, nigga.
Yeah, well, I'll be like, next week I'm be like, hey, I'll rerun it for 100. Nah, he's gonna see this video. Fuck. What the fuck, man? Yo, you almost got me, bro.
You don't give a fuck, nigga.
Oh shit.
Hey, slow the fuck down, nigga. Goddamn. Alright, man, with your fast ass Lamborghini. 3, 2, 1, let's go! Oh, he got that.
You almost fell off the window. I saw you. Huh?
Nigga, what?
Not on full boost.
He's not on full boost, nigga.
Oh,
He's on eco, nigga. What the fuck is wrong with you, nigga?
I get it, I get it.
Fuck wrong with
Hybrid mode on.
Yeah, my fault, man. We didn't mean to do that, bro.
Hey, next time, bro.
It's all good.
Hey, can you switch it on boost right now?
Nah.
Come on, bro. You don't want the YouTube to see this?
Gas.
Huh?
I don't got the right gas.
Hey, let me see. Okay. Stupid ass.
Man, fuck all that talking, my nigga, let's link. Bring your bitch ass up the street. Bring your bitch ass up the street. Yeah. Bring your bitch ass up the street. Drop your location, my nigga, let's meet.